Round 2, Capricorn. Let's just try something with oracle cards, because that stuff was, the earlier one was BS. I want to see some extra stuff for you, Capricorn. Let me do a 9-card spread for Capricorn. With oracle cards, 9-card spread with Capricorn. Mending. There's no fixing this. First line is you. Second line is a situation. Third line is whoever you're dealing with, a person or group. But there's no fixing this situation. There's no fixing a situation. Oh, screw it. I'm going to add a little more. Situation. Situation. Adding a little more. Whatever. I'm adding more. So I want to see what the hell is going on. Okay, the person you're dealing with. So mending, there's no mending of the situation, Capricorn. Whatever situation that you're in, whatever relationship that you're in. This is irreconcilable differences, irreconcilable opinions and declarations. This is a lack of getting along, seeing things in too much of a different perspective. You need to be observant of the people who do not know how to communicate, who do not listen to your point of view, or who don't care to hear your opinions. Because honestly, if they don't care to listen or compromise to you and with you, it's usually because they don't care. The yin energy, this is receiving and allowing. This is the divine feminine. It's time for you to reach in and to come from your feminine side, and it's not by chasing or going after. It's about receiving love and allowing love. And if you have to chase, then there's no fixing it. There's nothing for you there. If you don't receive love, possibly because you don't accept it, possibly you're just used to so overdoing that you don't, and over fixing and over producing, that you forget that it's supposed to be reciprocal. What you don't know, there's a change in the wind. A change in the wind, something's going to change, whether time, a new cycle. Be observant of the people who are committed to misrepresenting you or misunderstanding you, because there's really no use to defend and argue and explain with someone who refuses to compromise or hear you out. It's a waste of breath when someone's not listening. Just stop talking, because it's not going to get any better, and there's no compromising. The situation, it's time to create. It's time to take action. It's time to put in the work. You need to reconcile your divine masculine and feminine, and you need to put the power back into your hands and refocus your own energy to manifesting something that intuitively was given to you by a higher power. You are protected and you are loved, and there's something in the wind. Intuitively, you know this. There's a change in the wind, and possibly it's you gaining your autonomy and your own personal fire to create. It was needed to consume all of the things that were not working with the destructive and creative energy of fire. This is Mars energy as well. This is destroying the tangible world around you and the illusion of reality, which is, it's all a illusion, especially if it's seen throughout a skewed perspective. But it's time for you to let people disown you, let them release you, let the tower fall, and you hold a blowtorch in your hand, lighting that shit on fire. I'm just saying. I'm not saying to actually light anything on fire though, but I'm saying the things that are not working and blowing up, let it go. You need to do that, because if things are giving you issue, if things are constantly an issue and a problem, nothing ever works, like there's always complications, nothing gets resolved, that needs to be dismantled, and it needs to be burned away, and you need to burn away the illusion that this outside world that you see is just that. It's an illusion. It's time to go within and to have a little self-analysis of why you allow your own fire to be misdirected, or why you hold yourself back and you stand in your way. It's time to create. Something will come into your life, a happy, blessed, divine accident. Look for synchronicities, because I believe universe came in and they're leveling faulty structures for you, and this is a release. This is autonomy, and this is a break into your freedom. When you release the things that are no longer working, and you bring a heaven into your own world and within yourself, you'll be more prepared for stressors around you, because when you harness your own fire and create your own heaven, no unsteady energy will push you over. You cannot move a man of Tao. You cannot surprise a man who is expectant of everything because they know the possibilities are endless. What you don't know, what is hidden, you need a rest. You're overworking. There's someone around your energy. That is not right for you. It's time to stop putting energy into people, places, and things that are not for you. Because when you redirect your energy, you realize how much potential that you really have. There's no fixing it. There's no mending. There's a lack of healing. But this is what's needed. Listen, yin, yang, divine masculine, divine feminine. It doesn't mean you're supposed to end up together. You're not. I mean, sometimes some of them are, but majority of the time they're not. They're just like the extra karmic partner, but they're the karmic partner that is the one that traumatizes you so much that it leads to an awakening, it leads to a new understanding and a new perception. And it's used as an activation in order for you to have more of a integrated self. It's not supposed to work. You put your energy into your own heaven and your ideal heaven within yourself, because the only person that you could change is yourself. It's not going to work to try to change other people because it never works. And the only thing that you can control is your efforts and where it goes to, and whether you're going to put it into something that's not working or you're going to put it into something that will bring you ultimate fulfillment. That's really up to you. What are you going to put your energy in? Be observant of the people who are not committed to understanding you. This is made to grow your intuition and to be more aware of what kind of people that you tend to bring around you. Or to be more observant of your intuition by bringing these continuous conflicts with this situation. What is it trying to help you learn about yourself? Where is it that it allowed you to not listen to your intuition and to miss the blind spots and the red flags? This whole situation, this whole divine masculine and feminine kick wasn't because you're going to meet your ideal partner and you're never going to have issues for the rest of your life. It doesn't work like that. It's made to increase your intuition. It's made to prepare you on how to become more observant of the people around you and your own personal power, and how is it that you self-sabotage yourself? How is it that you hold yourself back? Because whenever it comes to a situation of a continuous situation, especially with the same person, and you're having continuous issues, it's because maybe you're the fixer and you're used to, in some way, overworking for love. But when you have to work extra hard for it, thinking that it's going to bring your heaven, all it does is leaves you broken because you didn't direct your energy into the right channel. It's time for you to accept and receive love, fill your own cup, care for you, and nurture yourself. Because you are divinely protected, and they're pulling you away from situations that are gonna hurt you. And they did this by making you more aware of your surroundings and who the hell you got around you. Maybe after the full moon, something new came out, something extra that you didn't know before. Something that you didn't see before. But whatever came out, whatever made itself known after this full moon, it made you more prepared in order to give back to yourself. The situation was done for you to protect you. Because you are protected and you're being guided, it's time to take care of yourself, rest, rejuvenate. Because you went through something really, really tough. You're overworking. It's important to care for yourself and not overwork. What you don't know is there's a change in the wind, but it's by divine design, and it's tearing away things that are not for you in order for... Hold on.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry about that. The change in the wind, people that are not for you are being removed from you. And you may think that this is a travesty, but it's not. It's a blessing. Because it's enabled you to actually start a new life for yourself on a better foundation, one that is more true, one that is more genuine, and that will actually bring real fulfillment and to make you realize that you're blessed. Look, what's underneath. You can't have a blessed new life if you're still trying to cling to the things and people that hurt you and is committed to tearing you down. This was a blessing in disguise. In order for you to start a new cycle that you can't take them with you, you have some dharmic backload that's going to be presented for you, and it'll start you on a new cycle. But it's time, but it won't come in if you're still surrounding yourself with people who are draining you. But man, that's what I got for you, Capricorn. Time to receive the blessings from the divine and take a needed rest. Perhaps you had some downtime, a change in a job, or maybe you got let go from a job, or maybe you found yourself unemployed, or even at an end of a relationship or situation. It was designed for you to take that rest. It was designed for you to start something new within a more positive energy and to no longer deal with things that are not for you. be receptive to the blessings and you will receive. But if you're still dealing with people who are blocking your blessings, that's the more you'll just get more of the same. But that's what I got for you, Capricorn. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Donation box below if you feel moved to do so, and if not, I'll talk to you later. Bye.